Welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 1 Independent Project 1 to 4. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. If you need help in this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, and all Microsoft Access. If you need help in any other course like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Calculus, Calculus 2, and Algebra courses, Python, C++, business classes, management classes. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A+ grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle each and everything myself. So we will go to McGraw-Hill SIMnet and we will download our Excel worksheet, Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 1 Independent Project 1 to 4. This is the title of project. So Independent Project 1 to 4 you can see here on my laptop screen, and you can done your project by watching this video easily. Okay. Independent Project 1 to 4. As a staff member at Blue Lake Sport Company, you are expected to prepare the monthly sales worksheet. You can read this easily. Skill covered in this project: open and save a workbook, choose a workbook theme, edit and format data, center label cross selection, use sum and the fill handle, adjust column width and row height, insert a header and footer, adjust page layout option, copy and rename a worksheet. We will skill covered in this project. This all skill covered in this project. Okay. Question number 1. Point 1. Open the start file Blue Lake Sport 1 XLS workbook. The start file will be renamed automatically your name. Change the file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Okay, first we will open our this XLS Blue Lake Sports workbook. Go to our download folder. I have also downloaded from McGraw-Hill SIMnet. Now I am going to open this Excel workbook. Okay. Okay, point 2 is that if the document opens in protected view, click the enable editing button in the message bar at the top of the document so you can modify it. Simply, our worksheet is also protected view, so we will click on enable editing button to unprotected view. Okay, notice is here you can read. Okay, apply the slicer theme to the worksheet. Apply the slicer theme to the worksheet. Go to the page layout tab in the themes group. Click on themes button. We will apply slicer theme. So question number 4, added worksheet data. Added the title in cell A2 to display monthly sales by department. Added the title in cell A2 display monthly sales by department. We will click on cell A2, display monthly sales by department. We will type monthly sales by department. Okay, so point D, added cell D6 to 1950. We will click on cell D6 and we will enter 1960. Okay, 1950. Okay, sorry, I have also added. Question number 5, select cell A1 to F2, click the format button and select format cell. Select the alignment tab, click the horizontal alignment arrow, choose center across selection and click OK. First we will select this range A1 to F2. A1 to F21. Click the format button and select Go to the cells group, click on format button and select format cells. Okay, so select the alignment tab and click the horizontal alignment arrow. And choose center across. Horizontal alignment arrow. Okay, center across and click OK. I have done this. Question number 6. Select and delete row 8. Select and delete row 8. Simply we will select row 8 and delete this from the worksheet. Right click on this and delete this. Okay. Question number 7. Use the fill handle to complete a series. Select cell B3. Okay. Use the fill handle to complete the series to week 4 and column E. Okay, to column E. Use fill right handle to the column E. Complete the series. Okay, question number 7. Auto fit column C to E to display the complete labels. Okay, complete labels. Go to the home tab in the cells group, click on format button and we will click on auto fit column with. Okay, this is done. So question number 8. Use sum and fill handle to calculate totals. Okay, use sum and the fill handle to calculate totals. Point A of question number 8. Use the auto sum button to build a sum function in cell F4. Okay, we will click on cell F4 and go to the home tab in the editing group, click on auto sum button and press enter. Point B. Use the fill handle to copy the formula in cell F4 to cell F5 to F16. Okay, we will use the fill handle to copy the formula through cell F5 to F16. Okay, this is good. So point C is that delete the contents of cell F17 if you copied the formula to that cell. Okay, we will select cell F17 and we will delete the content in cell F17. So point D of question number 8. Select cell B17 to F17 and click the auto sum button. We will select these two cells. This ranges B17 to F17, B17 to F17. So, and click the auto sum button. Go to the home tab in the editing group, click on auto sum button. Okay, so select cell A1 to deselect the cell. Select A1 to deselect the cell. We will click on A1 to deselect the cell. So moving on, question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this project so far. Question number 9. Format labels as values. Select cell A1 to A2 and increase the font size to 18. We will select these two ranges A1 to A2 and increase the font size to 18. Okay, go to the home tab. In the font group, click on font arrow and select 18. Font size is also 18. Okay, point B of question number 9. Increase the row height. Increase the row height of row 1 to 2 to 24. We will select row 1 to 2, right click on or go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button and we will click on row height. We will select the row height to 24. Okay, 24, click on OK button. This is also 24 and I have also add this 24. Point C is that format cells A3 to F3 as bold and increase the row height to 18. We will select A3 to F3. Okay, Go to the home tab. In the font group, apply bold button. Okay, so the font, the row height to 18. Right click on row 3, or we will select and we will right click on this and select row height to 18, 0.25 pixel. D point of question number 9, center the date and cell B3 to F3. We will select this cells B3 to F3 and go to the home tab. In the alignment group, we will press center the alignment. So the next is that point E, format cell B4 to F16 with comma style and decrease the decimal 2 times. Okay, format cell B4 to F16. Okay, with comma style, go to the home tab. In the number group, apply comma style and decrease the decimal 2 times. Open, okay, click on decrease decimal 2 times. So point F, select cell B17 to F17 and apply the counting number format with no decimal places. We will select these two ranges B17 to F17. Okay, so apply the counting number format with no decimal places. Go to the home tab. In the number group, apply counting number format with no decimal places. Point G, apply the all border format to the cell A3 to F17. We will select these ranges A3 to F17. Go to the home tab. In the font group, apply border button. We will apply all borders button. Okay, through to the range A3 to F17. Auto fit column B to F. We will select this column B to F. Go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button. We will select auto fit column with. So question number 10, finalize the worksheet. Click the insert tab and click header and footer button. Go to the insert. Okay, go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click on header and footer. So in the right header sections are the sheet name. Okay, right section sheet name. Click on sheet name tab. Click on OK. Go to the footer and click the right section tab, your first and last name. Okay, you can see click a cell in the worksheet and then return to normal view. Okay, go to the view and go to the workbook view. Click on normal view. So center the worksheet horizontally on the page. Go to the page layout tab. We will go to the margins and click on horizontally checkbox. This click on OK. You can see I have done 75% of this project in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for this complete project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. And I am also handling other classes like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, MyLab Math, MyLab Calculus, Business classes, MyLab Management and many more online classes. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A+ grade and you will be free from this course. I will handle each and everything myself. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video for this complete course. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.